guys, it's Gecko Guy here coming at you with an unboxing video of the brand new Hobbyzone Duet. You can pick these up at your local Hobbytown USA for $60. It comes ready to fly with the batteries for the plane and the 150 mAh battery for the plane. It looks like the Hobbyzone champ has a new contender. This plane features differential thrust, so it has a fixed vertical stabilizer. Look how tiny this plane is. It's so small and cute. Let's have a look at these dual brushed motors. They provide differential thrust to the plane. I like the color job on the plane too, as well as the clear canopy. The landing gear is also removable if you decide to do a belly landing on grass. The vertical stabilizer is fixed and the tail has a carbon fiber rod going through it to keep it more rigid. The transmitter is down on the right stick and yaw, but I would call it aileron. All the batteries are included. The LiPo is pretty old, being a 150 mAh 25C rating. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Like this video, comment as always, and subscribe so I can recover from surgery faster. Let's go fly it for the maiden.